Hi, this is Pankajj Singh here, your host and host, your brother from another mother. Welcome to our show, Affiliate Uncle on Fire. Yes, you have heard that right. I'm your Affiliate Uncle, Pankajj Singh. And today, in this video, I'm gonna talk about how to turn your Facebook profile into profit machine in just 5 steps. So I'm gonna talk about this, but before telling this, I just want to say that, as you know, I have my own ebook that is Affiliate Commission Secrets, and this book is available on Amazon. You can see that. And in this book, I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step. So if you want to get this book, you can go and get this book from Amazon. You can see that. Down below, I have put the link. You can go and check out this book. Now, without any delay, let me show you how to turn your Facebook profile into profit machine in just 5 steps, or in other words, I would say how to optimize your Facebook profile for your affiliate marketing business in just 5 steps. Now, first let me show you my Facebook profile. You can see that this is my Facebook profile. Now, very first thing that you have to do, you have to optimize your Facebook cover considering your ideal prospect, your ideal customer. As in my case, you can see that this is my Facebook cover. You can see, join countless people generating 5, 6 and even 7 figures from the comfort of their own homes. Discover how to make $1,000 plus daily using AI without creating products, website or technical skills. You can see that it is very neat and clean Facebook cover. Here, overall idea is that if somebody who lands on your Facebook profile, they must say that, yes, this is for me. Your message must connect with them, considering your ideal prospect. So considering my ideal prospect, I have come up with this message. You can see that. This is your first step that you have to do. Optimize your Facebook cover with your photo. And here, having your photo, through this, you can create your personal brand. That's why it is very, very important to come up with your own photo. Now, next thing that you have to do, or you can say your next step, is that in the caption area of your Facebook cover photo, you have to come up with your caption. As you can see that, my message, and here I'm having my affiliate link. Because most of the time, you know what happens, whosoever lands on your profile, they will come and they will click on this button, and this button, or if they click on somewhere else, like let's assume they click here, then they will be redirected to here in this area. And that's why here it is very, very important that you have to come up with your message with your caption, and in this caption you must be having your affiliate link. And from this area you can redirect to your affiliate offer or to your free stuff that you are offering. It's up to you. This is the second thing that you have to do, or you can say second step. First, you have to optimize your Facebook profile cover. Second, you have to optimize your, you can say, caption area of your Facebook profile cover. And third thing that you have to do is you have to optimize your bio section area, or you can say intro section. You can see that. Come up with very short message. As in my case, you can see that. Discover how to generate 5 to 7 figure a day using AI cash machine. And now here I am having my affiliate link. Optimize your intro area. Third thing. And that you can do by coming here, edit bio. By going here, you can optimize. Now, fourth one. This is very, very important. Can you see that picture? Here, you might be having your own picture. Now, yes, there are other people. They come, not only they click here, and they will go to caption area, but there are other people who also click on this picture too. And now here I see that many affiliate marketer, what they do, they keep this area blank. Although they have the picture of their own, but they don't write any caption here. So please don't commit this mistake. Have your picture, then in the caption area, same message you can put here in the caption area with your affiliate link. This is the fourth thing that you have to do. Now next is, yes, can you see that this section here? In this section, you know, I have noticed many people, what they do, they have their social profile links, their can say they put so many links. Please understand this. A confused mind never ever buys. Never ever make your ideal prospect confused. Always have one link in your intro section as well as in your bio section. Only one link. If you want, yes, you can have two links, but here I would prefer only have one link through which you are promoting your affiliate offer. Don't confuse your ideal prospect. Keep your intro section and bio section neat and clean. Got it? Now here you can put your affiliate link, and same thing, how you can put your affiliate link? Simply by going here, edit details. In this section, if you click on that, then there will be option website section, and there you can put your affiliate link. These are the 5 things that you have to do on your Facebook profile if you want to convert your Facebook profile into profit making machine. These are the 5 steps. First one, optimize your Facebook profile. It must be professional looking with clear cut message who is for this, or can I say who is for your profile, what you are offering. There must be crystal clear message. Second, in the caption area, come up with your message with your affiliate link. Third, optimize your intro section with a one line message and having your affiliate link. Fourth one, yes, in your Facebook profile photo, have your caption, or you can say have your message. Don't keep it blank here. And with your message, have your affiliate link. And now next one, in the bio section, you can come up with your affiliate link. Don't put any other links. Don't put so many links. Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, or Instagram. Just keep your affiliate link here. That's it. Now here is my bonus step that you can do. In this featured section, you can come up with your own results, your testimonials, or any tips and tricks you can put here in this section. That you can do, or you can come up with your own ebook. Let's suppose you are offering any ebook, so you can come up with your ebook picture here that you are offering for free in exchange of email address of your ideal prospect. That you can do. It's up to you, right? So in this section, you can optimize this like by having your testimonials. Like if someone comes and he or she clicks on this, then they will go to the testimonials that you have collected. You can see that in my case. So that way it will build trust towards you that you have authority, people are getting results. And same thing in the result section, you can put the picture of your results, screenshot of your results. You can see that, as in my case, you can see my results. Yeah. Again, it will build trust that yes, you are getting results and you are not somebody who is just new. You have results and you can teach them, you can guide them, you can support them, you can help them because you have results. So if you are new, then please don't think that I don't have any results, Pankaj, then how can I do affiliate marketing? Don't worry. Be authentic. Don't use fake screenshot of income. Don't use this. I don't recommend. If you don't have any results, you can borrow other people's results. I mean to say, if in your team they are making money, then with the permission of them, what you can do, here is my team results, and in that section you can put the screenshot of your team member. So that you can do. This is one of the options that you can do. You can borrow the authority, or you can borrow their results, that your program is working, many members they are getting results. As you can see that my team results, yeah, you can see. So this is what you can do. Yeah, you can see. Now you know how to turn your Facebook profile into profit machine in just 5 steps. By the way, I have also shown you 6 steps as bonus. So yes, these are the things that you can do in your affiliate marketing business, especially if you are using Facebook for your affiliate marketing business, right? And yes, finally, if you have any questions, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to help you. I will try my level best to answer you. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel. And yes, please like and share this video if you like this, right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.